Hammer was found nearby the police on the day of Sushant's death. Ria gave drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput. Why she gave? Where is the source? Where she get those drugs? And Sushant Singh's birthday should be declared as World Youth Day. Come, let's get into the video. In this video, we are going to discuss about Sushant Singh Rajput death case full in English section. Just give me 2 seconds, I'll register my intro. தமிழ் உங்களில் ஒருவன் சேனலில் இருக்க அனைத்து உள்ளங்களுக்கும் எனது அன்பார்ந்த வணக்கங்கள். எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு பெரிய ஹாய். நான் தான் உங்கள் தமிழழகன் பேசுகிறேன். This is தமிழழகன் here and you are watching தமிழ் உங்களில் ஒருவன் YouTube channel. Still now, those who forget to subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell button also. Okay, straight away we get into the section and those information those I collected and those information speaking the public peoples and through the supporters and public peoples, those who gave the informations, these are all the things we are going to clear our doubts. I'm going to keep here, we are going to clear our doubts and those conversation, those doubts going to be cleared in between us. Okay, I'm not fluent in English, so just try to understand. Okay, this is the 7th day of CBI interrogation. The day started, first 3 days, Siddharth Pitani, Neeraj and Deepesh, these people were interrogated. But their answers didn't satisfy the investigations. So many things going on and one side of financially and that bank, those details going in interrogation. Like this, many teams has been separated and working on this through and AIMS, the autopsy report was went to the AIMS hospital for the re-examination. Those results came and those results are going to be, and those results are positivity and to us forward as that is Sushant Singh Rajput death is not committed as suicide. The official result will be coming in few days, so just keep on raising your voice. That's it. And Sushant Singh's birthday should be declared as World Youth Day. So all those who are seeing this video, start trending the hashtags Sushant Singh birthday, World Youth Day. This is things if people are like to wish to do this one, implement this. Okay. And hammer was found on the day of Sushant's death nearby the police. What is the need of hammer? For what purpose hammer came there? No one was noticed that they should answer why the hammer was came there. Okay, you just think one thing. If Instagram account is active or inactive, followers counts only will be decrease or increase, right? Following count, if it increase or decrease, we should be inactive, right? After Sushant's death, following counts decreased. Someone using Sushant Singh Rajput mobiles and accounts, who's that? This is the point. And Ria gave drugs to Sushant Singh. I'll clearly say times now. Open up this one from Jayasaga to Ria, the conversation 25th 11th 2019 11:31 AM. The message was: use 4 drops in coffee, tea or water and let him sip it. Give it 30 to 40 minutes for it to kick in. Okay. Through this we can clearly know drugs was taken by the Sushant without knowing him. This is the main thing, biggest mistake. Not a mistake. Devils. These devils are doing the biggest one. And Sushant Singh Rajput SIM cards were changed. 14 SIM cards were changed before the death because of the threat and calls. You just think one thing. First SIM we are changing, second SIM we are changing, third SIM we are changing. How come the new numbers knows those threatened peoples? We will give these numbers only nearby our peoples and close to us, right? From these, about this, across this, how come the number goes outside? And moreover, maybe he can be tracked through the police also. Many are there. Actually, the answer, we are going for justice, we are searching many things, right? But for all the things we have answer from here itself, but we are searching somewhere else. That's the thing, that's it. And green ambulance, there was a two green ambulance with the same number plates, and in one green ambulance there were no words about that ambulance is not written. Another one is fully written with ambulance, one number plate in English, one number plate in those languages related to that Hindi something, some languages. Mystery girl, two mystery girls are confirmed. One is Radhika Nilani. Radhika Nilani is one mystery girl. Second one, Shibani. Shibani is Riya's assistant. This is confirmed. That gun guy who entered through the CBI investigation offices in the airport, that guy is similar to Akshay Badgar. Akshay Badgar is the ambulance owner. That ambulance number which I showed in the last, that is thing. It's similar one. And Sushant's sister and Sushant's family said, we don't know Sandeep Singh, who he is, we don't know. On the day only, he came and told to us, I'm close to Sushant, I'm a close friend of Sushant. Past 10 months, nearly 1 year, where Sandeep Singh went on that day, how can he come and control all the things? Moreover, first Siddhant Pitani told, I only cut the rope and bring it down, the body down, number one. Number two, I only called the locksmith to open the door. These are the things started from the Siddharth Pitani. After police came, after that body taken, where is the Siddharth Pitani? Only Sandeep Singh only handling all the things, controlling all the one, and he controlled Sushant Singh's family to not go nearby the dead body. Okay, where Siddharth Pitani went? You know what happened? Before that night, there was arguments and fight happened. In that fight, Siddharth Pitani injured in his head. For that, maybe blood can come. Maybe it is bleeded. So he went for the treatment. This is the main evidence. Okay. And Ganesh, eyewitness, I told he came forward for the eyewitness. After he interviewed that, after he gave interview that I will be coming for the witness. After he gave the interview, he was attacked by those threatened peoples. This is the main thing. Our witness should be protected. Yeah, these were the mortuary. Okay, mortuary god was absent on that day. Actually, mortuary god was leave on that day. Okay, after finishing the leave, when he came back to the hospital, doctors forced him to sign on those days. Why this one happened? Number one. Next one, Riya went to the mortuary through the backside of mortuary with the help of Mumbai police. She went inside, she stayed inside for 45 minutes. She said, sorry Babu. Okay, for 45 minutes only to saying sorry Babu, she went inside the 45 minutes. You just think one thing, Sushant Singh will not come alive after this. Sushant Singh mobile, electronic things, and for fingerprint, unlocking mobiles, for these things, she can be stayed inside. This is one thing, right? And Surjit Singh, he is the eyewitness. He told that Riya told the to Sushant Singh dead body, I'm sorry Babu. Number one. Actually, you just think one thing, 45 minutes just to say one line. This or one thing. Actually, Surjit Singh is a long back friend of Riya, but Surjit Singh, these people are saying we are not in contact with, but Surjit Singh much close to two of the peoples. One is Aditya Thackeray and Suraj Pancholi. These three were close friends. We should think of it. Okay. Yeah. And one more eyewitness came. that eyewitness person told that first one small ambulance came, in that one dead body went inside so soon and quick. Second one ambulance, big ambulance came, in that ambulance Sandeep Singh came with the Sushant Singh Rajput dead body. Clearly explains, and we can see two dead bodies. And one more thing, one more doubt appeared from me. Why can it be three dead bodies? I'll explain how. Okay, when Sushant Singh Rajput dead on that day, in that outside media peoples and some more peoples were there, right? In that people, in that crowd, one lady cried and shouted, my son was dead inside. So in that room, Sushant Singh dead body and another male dead body were inside, right? Skeleton found, that is a minor girl. That minor girl introduced to Sushant by Disha. Sushant Singh Rajput joined in one NGO called Voice. In that NGO, Sushant Singh decided to do many good things for poor children, for studies, etc., etc., many things. In that way, that girl came, and these are informations might be no to Ria. Why Ria didn't open about this minor girl? So in this, we can clearly maybe doubt of three dead bodies, and confirmation because three ambulance used. So because of three ambulance used, might be it can be three body. Okay, done. Disha phone. Disha phone was active after the Disha day. After the Disha death, Disha mobile was active in 9 days. 9 days Disha mobile was active after the death of Disha death. Okay. Who handled that mobile? We should know that. Ambulance driver Akshay Bangar. Okay. Ambulance driver Akshay Bangar. When media peoples and press peoples called Akshay Bangar and asked about Sushant Singh and second dead body, he cut the call. Number 2, they asked about Sandeep Singh, about that conversation. Ambulance driver Akshay Bangar told, I don't know Sandeep Singh who he is. Point number 2, Sandeep Singh called records and Ria called records or taking recorded. Okay, I mean those histories was taking through these investigations. In that way, Sandeep Singh called to the Akshay Bangar, that is ambulance driver, after the death of Sushant. In between, they spoken and conversation done. They called 4 times. How he can be said that I don't know Sandeep Singh? This is a major thing, major point is happened, and Sandeep Singh is planning to escape to UK because he applied visa. He should not escape from this case because Ria already hired a high official and a big lawyer. They can be pre-planning by keeping the silence. We should not, these devils should not be escaped from anywhere. Mahesh Shetty. Actually, Sandeep Singh told that Mahesh Shetty only told me to go there and he only informed me like that. Okay, after that only Sandeep Singh went, fully handled by Sandeep Singh. How come Sandeep Singh came there? Through Mahesh Shetty. Then why Mahesh Shetty not questioned by anyone? He should be questioned. Activated calls on the death day, before and after Disha and Sushant Singh. Those activated calls nearby those locations, if we traced, we can get many clues. Yeah, you just think one thing, bed change and door change. This is one thing. Number 1. Number 2, this is a lockdown time, this is a corona time. In when death was happened, okay, how those many people came beyond that police restrictions of corona and lockdown? How can strangers, all the strangers came inside and going outside with carrying many bags? Who gave the rights? Point number 2. Over. Point number 3. In that corona, in that lockdown, if bed, those things and door, if change, if we ordered in online, that is not possible in the lockdown. So if someone sold through the shops, If we analyzed and investigate those things, we can get many things. And one more thing, I'm not here to negative things. I'm not here to register that I'm Tamilan and I'm raising voice, blah blah blah, etc. etc. Just one thing, I'll say one thing. I said that for an Indian, I'm an Indian, just raising a voice for an Indian as an Indian. Beyond that, Sri Lankan peoples are giving support. They told that don't separate us by Indians. We are also Tamilans, and Tamil joined us. In beyond this, all over this, we are a humans, humanity. That's one thing. We are here raising a voice. Only our motive is to get towards justice and nothing in between and inside this one. Those negative comments are most welcome, and you all people, and the session is over, we are going to speak generally. Okay, interested peoples can continue. If you don't interest, you can skip and go. Okay, if you'd like to come and speak with me, all social media accounts ID name is Tamil Ungalil Oruvan. You can come and text me in Insta. I'll reply you, I'll text you if you want to share any information. And you can join me in Telegram. In description, I will applied. I have given more the links. In Telegram, if you type Tamil Ungalil Oruvan, channel page will be open. You just connect with there. I'll post photos and links through the Telegram. And in playlist, in my channel, playlist column will be there. In that column, Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, one folder will be there. Inside that folder, all the Sushant Singh related videos will be there. In nearby playlist tab, one community tab will be there. I'll update those information updates in the community tabs, and these are the things will be happen. And in Twitter, Tamil Alagan is my ID. You can join and follow me, and those who supported me through this, and we love you, all the peoples, because I'm not fluent in English. Just try to understand. I'm trying to, because mostly I'll do video only in Tamil. This is the first time only for Sushant Singh Rajput voice out. I'm voicing out through English because this information, justice voice, should spread more peoples. Okay, that's the only motive. We should get justice. That is only our motive. So those who raise the voice for Sushant Singh Rajput justice, my special love for you all. Those who are not raising your voice, please try to raise your voice and give more supports. And moreover, those who are not interested in voicing out like this, but if you like to give support, you just share these informations to some other peoples. Okay, and I love you all for this support, and I'll do more and more good towards for my future generations. That's the one thing. Only for my future generations, I am doing many things, good things, and more videos only for my future generations, to save my future generations. So be positive, think positive. Those who are celebrating today's birthday, my best wishes. Be happy always. Happy birthday to all. Stay blessed. Be self-motivated. Be self-confident, and don't believe anyone in this world, including me. And this word I used to say through those who close to me. Those people I used to say this word. Don't believe anyone in this world, including me. That's the thing. I used to I used to say those people. Okay, let's finish it off, and stay blessed and Anbe Shivam. I'm signing off. This is Tamil Ungalil Oruvan. Love you all. Stay tuned. Tada and bye. Anbe Shivam.